Hey guys, Norm with Bearable Traders. It is Tuesday, April 9th, 2019. Quick day for me today again. Took two trades right at the open. Both worked out, so all good. The first trade I took was on Facebook. So Facebook, the market was essentially flat, and then some economic data came out this morning. You can see here on the 15-minute chart, it was essentially flat. Once that data came out, it started to go down. So I was kind of swimming against the stream. Both of these trades were long and strong stocks in a really harsh market that was selling off pretty bad at the open. So anyway, I liked Facebook on the daily. It had been treading around these levels in the mid 170s, and I thought we might, after this candle here with the consolidation, the spinning top, I figured we might have a little bit of a breakout. So that's what I was looking for, to see if it would. At the open, it came down, tested this. This was yesterday's high, I believe. Yeah, yesterday's high. So it couldn't even get down there. I went ahead as it went through VWAP, took the trade to the long side. My goal was the what was it up here? 2 days ago high, I believe. Yeah, 2 days ago high, Friday's high. So goal was right about 177. It hadn't been able to break through that very well, and it sold off. So I figured anything above that would really just be gravy on it. I got out of this. I actually made a slight hotkey error here. I was trying to exit. Usually every exit I get is 25% of a position. I accidentally hit my 25 and 50% sell button at the same time. So it sold way more than I wanted to on this second exit, and then it started to turn around here. I didn't have many shares left because of that, so I went ahead and took the rest off as it dipped here. As you can see, while I thought I was patient in this trade, letting this go to here, it actually put in this beautiful consolidation ABCD flag here, ABCD pattern or bull flag, and then just popped, and I could have gotten another $1 or so out of it, so or $2 out of it, I guess. So anyway, it was a pretty good trade. I should have been a little more comfortable in this. This sell-off was on really low volume, and you can see same thing on the 2-minute chart here. You know, these big candles, volume candles here, and then when it started, you know, on the 2-minute, it wasn't even slowing down. I was watching the 1 minute. That's part of the reason I like to watch the 1 or the 2 minutes, because it takes out some of that noise. So anyway, that was my first trade of the day. My second trade was on Apple. You know, it was really strong at the open. Once again, going against SPY. And it was kind of chop here. And I thought, you know, I knew it was going to hesitate a little bit with this break of 200, and that's what this was. So once it came down, tested VWAP, I got in that about 290 cents. And then I was looking for this pop. And once again, I could have held on for more. But it had a pretty decent run. And once it broke this, engulfed this candle, it really wasn't that strong for a little bit. So that concerned me that they might try to push it down back around 200 or below. So I got out of it there. You know, it was an okay morning for me. Two trades, each one, you know, worked out. But I wish I hadn't had that hotkey mistake. I would have been in that Facebook trade a little bit longer and could have carried some profits on a little bit further. But anyway, thanks for watching. Just a reminder, we've got the Bearable Traders Challenge. It's starting very soon, taking signups. Of course, we're going to have the big prize is Andrew's Trading Station. The second place prize in the competition is going to be a prize for consistency. So we're still trying to figure out exactly how to do that. We're limited a little bit by the reports we can pull, but we'll let you know soon on what that'll be. Thanks for watching. Trade safe, everybody. Have a good day.